Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by cutting power and getting ready. Unplug the HomePod Mini for about 10 seconds, then plug it back in. Once done, make sure your iPhone's Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are turned on and unlocked. You'll need them if you want to re-add the speaker. If the HomePod is currently in your Home app, you can leave it there for now. You'll remove it after the reset. This quick power cycle ensures the unit clears transient faults before the hard reset sequence. You now perform the actual reset. Place one finger firmly on the top touch surface and hold it down. After a few seconds, the white spinning light will pulse. Keep holding until it turns solid red. Once red, the HomePod will play 3 descending beeps. Maintain pressure through all 3 tones. This sequence forces a factory reset by triggering the internal restore routine. It wipes settings and home app pairing so you can start fresh. Release only after the last tone finishes. When the 3 tones finish, the HomePod Mini will restart and show the pulsing white setup light. Open the Home app and follow the on-screen prompts to set it up as new. If the unit fails to enter the red light stage, unplug, wait 10 seconds, try a different power outlet, and repeat the hold sequence. Intermittent power or a bad adapter often causes failures. If repeated attempts still fail, contact Apple support or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.